Growing a beautiful juniper bonsai. Do's and don'ts. Juniper bonsai trees are a favorite among beginners and seasoned enthusiasts alike due to their resilience, beauty, and versatility. However, to grow a stunning juniper bonsai, it's essential to understand the key do's and don'ts of their care. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on bonsai care tips and tutorials. Do's: provide ample sunlight. Junipers thrive in bright, direct sunlight. Place your bonsai outdoors in a spot that gets at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight daily. This ensures healthy foliage and strong growth. Water regularly but smartly. Juniper bonsai like moist, well-drained soil. Check the topsoil and water when it feels slightly dry. Avoid letting the roots sit in water, as this can lead to root rot. Prune for shape. Regular pruning is crucial for maintaining the bonsai's aesthetic. Trim long shoots and unwanted branches to encourage compact growth and keep the tree's design balanced according to the style that you have chosen. Use well-draining soil. Junipers need soil that allows for proper drainage. A mix of akadama, pumice, and lava rock is ideal. Protect from extreme cold. While junipers are hardy, they need protection from freezing temperatures. Winterizing techniques like mulching or placing them in a sheltered location can help. Don'ts: don't overwater. Overwatering is a common mistake. It can cause root rot and kill your bonsai. Avoid indoor growing. Junipers are outdoor trees and need natural airflow and sunlight. Keeping them indoors for prolonged periods can weaken them. Don't prune foliage. Aggressively, avoid cutting back to bare wood, as junipers don't regrow foliage from old wood. Focus on trimming green growth instead. Skip fertilizing. During dormancy, fertilizing in winter when the tree is dormant can stress it. Feed it during the growing season for best results. Don't wire carelessly. Improper wiring can damage branches. Use soft, protective wire and remove it before it cuts into the bark. By following these do's and avoiding the don'ts, you can grow a healthy, stunning juniper bonsai that will thrive for years. Patience and attention to detail are your greatest tools. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more bonsai tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments how your juniper bonsai is coming along. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy bonsai growing.